If you've ever wanted to try out a custom browser extension or test your own creation, but you're not sure how to actually load it into Chrome or Firefox, today's tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know how to load an Unpacked extension into Chrome, ready for testing or everyday use, all without needing to publish it to an extension store. This process is surprisingly simple, and it's a great skill for developers or curious users alike. Let's jump right into it. First, open up a new tab in your Chrome browser. In the address bar at the top, type Chrome/extensions, almost just like that, no spaces, and then hit enter. This takes you directly to Chrome's extensions page, where you can see all your installed extensions and manage their settings. Think of this as the control center for everything you've added to Chrome. If you're not familiar with this page, don't worry, you'll get the hang of it in no time. Now, glance over to the top right corner of the extensions page and look for the toggle switch labeled Developer Mode. Flip this switch to turn Developer Mode on. This section is usually hidden by default, but turning it on unlocks a few extra options that regular users don't usually see. These options let you do things like install unpacked extensions or inspect extension details. Turning on Developer Mode doesn't change how Chrome works, but it lets you access those advanced features safely. If you're wondering, is this risky? Rest assured, this is standard practice for extension testing and development. Once Developer Mode is active, you'll notice a couple of new buttons appear at the top, including one that says Load Unpacked. Go ahead and click this button. When you do, a file picker window will pop up, giving you a chance to locate your extension files. Think of this a bit like loading up a folder of photos to edit, except here you're choosing a set of files that make up the extension. If you don't see your files right away, make sure you're looking for the actual folder, not a zipped file or a single item. The folder you select should include everything your extension needs: the manifest file, scripts, images, and other resources. Selecting the folder as a whole is important because Chrome needs to read all those files together to make the extension work. Once you've found your extension's folder, select it, and then click the Select Folder button. Take your time to ensure you've chosen the right folder. If you accidentally pick the wrong one, you can always go back and try again. Chrome will instantly attempt to load the extension, so if everything looks good, you'll see it appear right away in your extensions list. If there's a problem with your files, Chrome will often give you a little error message with details, so don't worry if that happens. It's usually something simple, like a missing manifest or a typo, and you can fix it quickly. And that's it. Your Unpacked extension is now loaded up and ready to use. You'll see it listed alongside your other extensions, and if it has a browser action, like a pop-up or toolbar button, it should become visible. You can test how it works, make changes to the code, and reload it whenever you like, without having to repackage or upload it anywhere. Remember, loading Unpacked extensions in Chrome is a powerful way to test new features, develop your own tools, or just explore what extensions can do, all at your own pace. If you ever want to remove the extension, it's just a matter of clicking Remove from the Extensions page. If you found this tutorial useful, go ahead and give the video a like and subscribe if you want more helpful browser guides in the future. Drop any questions or feedback in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing!